Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Ethan and I are together in person in the western side of Australia.
In Perth.
WA. And we have an awesome video today because we are installing some custom-made mudflap
BushBound
decor. Anyways,
yeah,
let's get into it.
Here are the things you're going to need to install these bad boys.
Right, so what we've got is first, obviously we need some nuts and bolts to hold them to the mud flaps, which are on the car already, which is great. Washers as well to do that, and some spanners to keep it nice and tight. Got a drill to drill some holes and a hacksaw to cut the bolts down because they're way too long. So it should be pretty easy. Let's get straight into it.
In my nice shirt as well.
Need a bigger lift kit, I reckon.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so first thing I want to do, Ethan's going to hold them there. It helps with two people with this job.
Like that.
And he'll hold it there nice and straight.
Is that the right way around?
Yeah, go down a bit. So Ethan will hold it like that and I'll just drill a few holes in it. Alright, you can probably remove that. And I'll finish drilling this hole out. Whack one of these in. I need scissors. Alright. This will just be a temporary one, right? So it's going to stick out heaps. Get that through there. Oh, perfect.
No, it's so long.
Wash it at the back so you can spread the
centrifugal force.
Yeah, that's the word. Do that nut up just like that. And then that'll hold it in position and we'll stand back and see if it looks good.
Oh, yeah.
I need you to stand back and see if it looks straight. That looks straight, huh?
I reckon.
If you reckon, I reckon. Drop it like it's hot. Oh yeah. Okay, it is backwards obviously, but it looks good. So I think we can cut down these and make them a lot smaller.
You want me to get out? Come with me, right this way.
Come on, get out. Oh. I might just use this.
Make sure to always wear eye protection. Oh yeah!
Safety squint?
Yeah, safety squint.
Disciples.
12 apostles.
You laugh. Let's laugh. You've got work to do, mate.
Jeremy's got work to do.
You 12, Ethan.
She said she was 12.
You was 12. Alright, let's drill the rest of these holes out and then we'll full Bicky it from there.
How to make a one-person job a two-person job, eh? Premium bludgers.
I'm the one that gets the best deal because he's putting one for me and he did it for himself as well.
Yeah.
By himself.
But Jeremy will deliver them to you by hand and help you put them on your car.
I can't guarantee that. Unless it's Harry, then I can. Anyone else? Sorry.
Oh, this thread's not going on nice.
You must have cut that one. No, you don't want to go too tight here, otherwise you'll rip the rubber.
Little shout out to Nadda Fabrications, the man behind these laser cut BushBound plates. Good mate of mine. Yeah, he cut these out. He made 3, one for mine, one for Jezza's, and one for one of you guys. You could win one of these very shortly. We'll get into that once we install the other side.
Right. Right, I'll put a nutmeg through that one. Alright, how's that looking?
Great.
Perfect, mate.
Perfect.
Don't even need it, the other 4.
Yeah, 2's good. For an electrician, your wiring's pretty dodgy.
Auto electrician, mate. There's a difference. No, you're right. I'll just do the rest by myself.
Premium bludger, mate.
Done this before.
I have actually.
Yeah, true, literally. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
That was bound to be easier.
Bombed. Bush bombed.
That's actually hilarious. So now it is time to tell you how to get your own one of these Mudflap BushBound logos for the low price of free, I might add.
Absolutely. If you like what you see here and you want some on your rig, this is what you need to do before we hit 1,000 subscribers, which isn't far away. But this is what you need to do.
What you need to do is it's similar to our 500 subscriber giveaway.
Yeah.
In that you have to just comment your name and comment what rig you're running as well.
If you don't know what a rig is, basically it's your full drive vehicle which you own and drive.
I think everyone would know that.
Okay, just
fair enough. So comment what full drive you drive.
Yeah.
Full drive.
And your name,
drive.
and then
or two-wheel drive.
Yep.
Or all-wheel drive.
Yep. We are socially accepting of other genders
of cars.
Genders. And then a couple of weeks after we hit 1K subscribers, we will do an announcement of who has won, and then it is up to you to be paying attention.
But no, we'll do another video just releasing the winner, so keep an eye out for that.
And then contact us on our email, which is attached to our channel info.
Yep.
And we'll get these sent over to you. It really is actually as simple as that.
Yeah.
Comment, and if you want to stay up to date with whether you've won, make sure you subscribe. Get us to 1K.
True. That's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no, anyways, good work, good install. Nice and clean.
Yep.
Easy as that.
It really is.
Might go hit some tracks, eh? He always does that. Always does it. It's not funny anymore.